Okay, and now is that the food for her babies?
Yeah.
And they want you to change the channel on the green TV.
Okay.
Is that the remote?
Yep.
Okay. What are they watching now?
They're watching. Let me see. They're watching Barney. No, not Barney. Naughty. No, not Barney. Quack. No, not that one.
They like Quack. Is that with Peep?
Yeah.
Well, then they probably like that because they're birds, huh?
Yeah, and they like Pocoyo too.
Oh, everybody likes Pocoyo.
Yeah. And the birds like Pocoyo. Even this bird likes Pocoyo too.
Even the mama bird?
They don't like the Quack one.
Why not?